So today I've got Talisha Hill on my channel. Please go check out her channel and subscribe.
Yes,
today we are going to be doing a video together and we are going to be swapping makeup bags because I thought it would be different, a different challenge, like do our makeup with each other's makeup. So we're going to give each other our makeup bags.
Yeah, this is my lovely makeup bag.
This is mine, it's pink. Yours is
butterflies. Butterflies, my mum got me.
Right.
There you go.
There you go.
Here's my palettes. Do you want my palettes?
And these are the palettes.
Lovely.
I'm excited to use
looked in this. Yeah, it's good. You can tell that's my favourite shade.
I'm excited to use this.
I'm excited to use this. I'm so used to it. When I saw your video, I was like, oh my god, I've got to try
yeah, I've got to use that. Right, should we just start? Yeah.
Yeah, let's just... Okay, so, right, what foundation do you normally use? Oh no, I need to prime first. I don't really have primer, like I said.
So,
do this.
Out of Talisha's makeup bag, I'm going to be taking the MAC Fix Plus and spraying my face to prime.
Oh, we're doing it now?
Yeah. I'm getting ready.
I'm using the Smashbox Photo Finish Primer Water. Right, ready? I get really scared when I'm about to do it. Oh god.
Okay, so I'm going to be taking the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz to do my eyebrows.
The end broke off.
Yeah, mine did.
So, which foundation do I use?
Any.
I've got 3 foundations to choose from.
I used to use this, so this is quite...
Did you?
Yeah.
I don't really use it that often. Like sometimes I will if I'm going to like a party or something, because they're more like defined that way.
Talisha is using the Giorgio Armani Illumina Silk Foundation.
In the shade 4. I hope this is going to be like the right shade. We're both quite pale, and you're a little bit more tan than me, I'd say.
Yeah, but I always buy the foundation too dark for me.
Really? I buy it
no,
too light.
by accident.
Oh. Yeah, I always have to buy it like the lightest shade, and then I'll just bronze myself up.
Yeah, I always accidentally buy foundation too orange for me, and it really annoys me. I just can't ever get it right.
I really want the Fenty Beauty foundation, but we can't get it.
Well, you can go to the shop.
What one?
Harvey Nichols.
Yeah, but that's ages away, isn't it?
It's in
There's
London.
only one in London.
Now I'm going to be taking the Collection eyebrow kit. I don't know what colour to get.
I feel like this is definitely too dark for me. It's like quite yellow on me. There is Revlon and Revolution, isn't there?
Yeah.
Yeah. Revolution, Conceal and Define. That is literally like the Tarte Shape Tape.
Yeah. It feels so weird using a powder because I don't use a powder.
I use a powder like every day for my eyebrows. It's just so easy.
I'm just now so used to like pomades.
Right. We're using our own sponge things, beauty blenders, whatever they're called, because it's quite unhygienic, isn't it?
I don't think you want to go near mine
I
either. My other beauty blender is literally so
when
gross.
you showed me, I was like, oh my
You're not
god.
using that.
This is quite a nice concealer actually.
It is good. Now I'm going to be taking the Tarte Shape Tape to outline my eyebrows. Wow.
Yeah.
This is a bigger like applicator
Yeah,
than
you
that
might
one.
want to... A lot comes off, I think anyway. Sorry. I know, pale.
It's so pale compared to me.
Do you ever get it when you get like mascara in your eye?
Izzy!
It's not even... No one's meant to be home yet.
Now I'm going to be taking my beauty blender and blending it in. So,
I swear, everyone has this brush, literally.
yeah.
The Real
Wait.
Techniques powder brush. My mum has it, you have it, I have it.
Yeah, everyone
has
does.
it. So, Alice uses the e.l.f. what is it? Pomade. Eyebrow pomade.
Yes.
For her eyebrows, and I literally don't use pomade at all, so this is going to be a struggle.
Make
Use
or
this
break.
Little e.l.f. brush.
What one would you say I should use? that's really pale and that's quite dark.
Why don't you do a mixture of both?
I'm going to mix these two together.
I'd always do.
Yeah?
Mix my foundations.
I'm going to mix these together. Good idea, mixing them together.
What do you think your favourite thing about YouTube is?
A Sunday. I think I tweeted about it as well. Sundays are literally the best day.
Oh yeah, I saw your tweet.
Sundays are the best day for like YouTube, like for makeup like people anyway, like.
What do you mean, like watching it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like I'll come home from work, so I finish work at 7 on a Sunday, every Sunday, and I know that I'm going to come home from work at 7 o'clock to so many YouTube videos that I can watch, if you get what I mean.
Yeah.
Like I can come home and I know that this person's uploaded, and then I just put them all in my watch later and I just go through them all like when I get home from work, and that's literally my Sunday evening. And then I also do like uploading as well, like I get a buzz off of uploading every single time, and I know I'm not like big or anything, but I do enjoy doing that. What's your favourite thing, if you know?
I quite like how there's like loads of different, I don't know, YouTube like sort of caters to everyone, doesn't it? Like there's something out there for everybody that
Yeah.
wants to
Makeup,
do. Yeah.
gaming, food, vlogs,
family stuff.
yeah.
Yeah. Do my eyebrows look really bad? Sorry.
No, they look really nice. I thought that your foundation would either be too, like, I thought it would be too pale for me because
I think it looks nice.
your foundation that you use is pale.
Yeah. Well, I am.
But
really
it's probably the same. It's probably the right colour for me. I just don't use the right colour.
Yeah. I feel like this foundation is oxidised. Okay, okay. What's the next thing? Eyes. Oh my god, I'm so excited to use this. Do you think you'll do any videos with anyone else?
Maybe. Don't know who.
You've done one with Cecily, haven't you?
Oh yeah, eventually I'm going to get my boyfriend on it, but never done it, so.
Charlie's done my makeup before.
Ooh.
The other day I was like editing one of my videos and she was just barking for like, I'm not even joking, like 5 minutes straight. And I was like, come on. Oh.
My stomach rumbling.
Is that yours?
That was yours.
Oh, I thought you said my. I was going to say it, I thought that was mine. I actually can't wait to do like a video on this palette. It's so nice.
What, the Jaclyn Hill one?
Yeah, look at that. Like that's just like the base thing. Please tell me that that's just brushes.
Yeah, it is.
Oh my god.
Yeah, it is.
Do they sell this palette still?
Yeah, they sell it on Beauty Bay. It was like £39, I think.
Bloody hell.
It's good though.
It is good, but Morphe palettes are normally more cheap, like cheaper than that.
Yeah, it's just because it's Jaclyn Hill. What's your blush brush?
That pink one. Yeah, that.
I'm excited to use this brush. It's
Zoeva.
Zoeva. Looking forward to using that. So now I'm just going to be blushing, if that even makes sense. Using a MAC blusher.
That is so pretty.
Yeah.
I actually love this palette. I might just have to save my pennies up and get it.
So I'm going to be taking the BH Cosmetics Kali Bible palette and taking a mixture of this gold shade here and then this silver shade here.
Right then.
I like this brush. I used to have it but I don't use it anymore.
It's so weird how we like do different routines with our makeup. Like you do your eyebrows first and then carve them out, and I did my foundation first.
Yeah, and you do your eyes and I do my contour first.
Yeah. I do my eyes first because then I can like brush away all the...
I think most people do. I don't know what, I don't know. There is not an explanation for anybody as to why I do my contour first.
Yeah. I've seen people do their contour first though. Doesn't Nikki Tutorials?
I don't know.
Sometimes she does.
Talking about Nikki tutorials, I'm going to be taking the Power of Makeup by Too Faced and Nikki Tutorials palette.
I love that palette.
I'm so excited to use it.
That is literally like my holy grail palette. It's so
like,
nice.
look at it. It's so gorgeous. And then inside, yeah, I'm excited to use this.
Oh my god, look at that.
Oh good.
That is when I first got it and I dropped my mirror on it and I was like, oh. I'm excited to eat.
I'm excited to eat. I don't know what I'm going to have. I don't know where I am for dinner. If I could have anything, it would be a curry. I've been craving a curry all day.
Oh what, like, do you mean like just today or?
Today, yeah, for dinner tonight when I go home, because obviously I'm here. When I go home, I want a curry.
See, I'm not really too fussed about curries because I like them when you go to like curry houses. You know, like takeaway curries. I love takeaway curries, and I like ready meal curries, but I don't really like homemade ones.
See, my mum, if you're watching, probably not. If you are though, shout out to you and Nan, because she can make a good curry. Because they can make good curries. They can make good everything.
What's that? Is that powder?
Curry. That's bronzer.
Where did you get these brushes from?
I got them from my mum's makeup collection.
Oh. Nice.
I actually did.
I'm using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm using a mixture. Whoops. So nice.
I want this palette. If anyone wants to buy me it, feel free. Okay, now I'm going to be taking this gold shade, Irresistible, on my finger. Don't you find it so much easier to apply like shimmers with your finger? Like, I hate doing it because it just looks so like stupid. I just love it though. So.
It's so much better. Because you know when people do like swatches and they get it on their finger, it's like more pigmented. Right, which one do you prefer?
I do Mary Luminizer first and then that one second, if that helps your decision. Which is not bad.
Oh my god, that is so nice.
Go in.
I've literally only put the tiniest bit on as well.
That looks really nice on you.
This actually looks so good. Oh, I think I'm done. Oh, lipstick.
Oh, do our lipstick. I'm using the Kylie Cosmetics shade. What shade is this?
Candy K.
Candy K.
And I'm using the Sleek Matte Me Birthday Suit.
Oh, it smells so good.
Doesn't it? It smells like cupcakes.
I don't usually like pinks, but this one's quite nice on me. Our makeup's actually got gone alright.
I think it has.
Yours looks really nice.
Yours looks really nice too.
Wow. Right.
That lipstick colour suits you because it's not really like
it's not
like
pink.
Dark pink.
Like I do not suit pink lipstick whatsoever, but
I love pink lipstick.
It does feel really like heavy though on.
It is, yeah.
So it's really like different, like using each other's makeup bags, wasn't it? Like using each other's makeup because we're not used to it. However, like
I think it's good to try each other's makeup because then you get an idea for what else like you want.
Okay, so we really enjoyed filming this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Please check out Talicia's channel. I will link it down below in the description, and we are both, well, we're doing a video together. We filmed it already and it's going to be going up at the same time as this video. So yeah, we hope you enjoyed it. Please subscribe to both our channels and hit the like button as well. So yeah, and we might film some more videos together. We're not really sure. Probably
in the future,
time.
we definitely will.
Yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching. Bye guys.
Bye.